Hello everyone, I am
ठीक है.
Jitendra Singh Daya. I welcome you to read my story where I interview authors, speakers, coaches, celebrities, entrepreneurs, and more. Today I have with me Miss Prachi Borkar. She is the motivational speaker and a life coach, emotional freedom therapist, mind power trainer, women empowerment coach. She is also the founder of Inspiring Dreams Academy, Prachi's Center of Excellence, Prachi's Mind Shift, and she is also the founder of Pehchan Stri Shakti Ki Women Empowerment Group. She has more than 10 years of experience, transformed and healed more than 2,000 people. She is working as a motivational trainer, personality development trainer, corporate trainer, mind power trainer, and much more. Also, she is working with parent and child as a counselor, family pre and post marriage counselor, career counselor, etc. Today, she will be discussing with us about her life journey. So let us hear from her. Welcome, Prachi. The platform is open, and now over to you.
Thank you, Jitendra, for inviting me on this platform, and I'm really excited to share my story.
How did
So,
your past life has
yeah.
affected the person you wanted to be and what you are?
So initially, like as a child, I was like very good in studies, and as like every parent in India, it is like the parents select the career for their kids.
Correct.
So like I was very good in studies, so my father wanted me to go in engineering or medical,
Okay.
and then my sister, she got into medical, and then I just said that no, I don't want to do medical, I will go for engineering. So at that point of time, I didn't know anything about myself, like what I am and what I should do. So I just went for engineering. I didn't do any kind of counseling, which normally now people do, like career counseling.
Okay.
And during my engineering and also between the phase of 10th to 12th standard, there had been phase in my life where I was very much alone. As a teenager, I faced many issues.
Okay.
Having some, I had a relationship issue, and I was not able to discuss with my family members nor with my siblings. At that point of time, I just felt that I was completely alone, and there were just few friends who supported me to come out of the problems that I faced as a teenager, the relationship issues that I had
Correct.
as a teenager. And then slowly and gradually, when I moved into my engineering, I was facing the same issues due to the lack of support from the family, the emotional support that I wanted, the mental support I wanted. I started getting it from outside, or I can say that I started finding from outside. मैं बाहर के लोगों से वो फाइंड कर रही थी, जो कि एक्चुअली मेरे फैमिली ने मुझे करना चाहिए था, बट वो हुआ नहीं. तो so thankfully I found some gurus, like instead of like relying on friends, I found some good trainers, mentors. So I went and started mind power classes. I started meditation. I started my journey into spirituality. When I found that there are so many things, there is so much of emotional turmoil which is going on, and I'm nobody is able to understand me, my relationship with my parents, and I was going through a lot of emotional turmoil, and that was affecting my career.
Correct.
So from there, my journey into spirituality it started. I started learning about mind, how it works, how to understand yourself, what is your purpose, and how to control your mind, how to release your emotions, what you are. You are unique as a person.
Definitely.
So I learned so many things from all those gurus who are like, they are into mind power and they are also into spirituality. And I joined some spiritual organizations. From there, I started healing myself, I can say that.
Okay, self-healing
And
kind of a thing?
then slowly and so I started healing myself, all the hurt that I had from my parents and all these things. It slowly and gradually went away and started discovering my own self.
Okay,
So,
great.
And then when I was like, all this happened when I was in my engineering, and so in my engineering I was not completely I was not interested in the technical field. As I said that in India every parent like जो भी बाकी के लोग कर रहे हैं बाहर से जो चल रहा है एक्सटर्नली, वही हम करते हैं. तो मैंने इंजीनियरिंग में मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रहा था, मैं बस कर रही थी करने के लिए. But I completed my engineering. Even there were some obstacles and some health issues in my engineering.
Okay.
After I completed my engineering, I started finding now what I want to do. After I completed my engineering,
Okay.
because that was I also went for a job, and that was not at all interesting me. It was a technical job, and then I started finding myself that what I want to do, and then it came out that I want to contribute to society. I want to do something that can contribute to the society and help them to transform their life. And from there, I started my healing journey. I joined some international certifications, emotional freedom therapy I learned. From there, I came to know how I can heal my emotions very fast. I learned counseling courses, and from there, I started healing people, helping them to change their life, because my life started changing. And then from 2012, I started healing people. And then there came a point where I thought that while I'm healing people, I'm able to motivate them like very nicely, and the changes that comes in their life is very dramatic. So I started also doing motivational lectures, healing people and counseling them. So that's how my journey started, because it started from pain. If that pain was not there in my life, I wouldn't have been here right now.
Possibly you would have been taking like engineering as your career.
Yeah, everything was like would have been like very smooth, and no pain, so no gain. So
correct. Agree.
That's how.
Agree with that. Yeah. So with this, I'd like to know about your passion. What are the things you are passionate about in your life?
So yeah, I am passionate about contributing in people's life. Like whenever I see someone that person is facing or having any problem, so that actually touches me, because I am very sensitive. So when I see, I want to help that person and help them. I want to guide them on the right direction. And I also, when I see youth, when I see women, I want them to be on the right path, because they are completely disoriented. They are not living their life on their own terms. They don't have their own independent thinking. They are actually living the life of their parents or the relatives that they are talking about, or the friends. So they are not actually internalizing their own thing, that what they want to do in their life. They don't know why they are here. They don't know what is their passion. So I like to help people to explore their potential, what they are good at, and be successful. And so this is the thing that I always see in youth as well as women. They don't love themselves. They don't accept themselves. They're following the world. They are not following their heart, what they are good at, what the divine has given them. So that is what I'm passionate about. Yeah. Helping them to know why they are here, what is their purpose, and what is their uniqueness, and reach their highest potential.
Correct. We can say kind of influence they initially have from their parents maybe, and society at a second stage. And thirdly, from the friends and surrounding they have.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah. So with this, I'd like to know more about your work and experience, how it goes when you started your career as a trainer, coach. Before that, you were doing something else, or you directly started being a trainer and coach?
No, I directly started doing it because it just came from within. And because when I was healing people through EFT, the results were very amazing. In just 1 or 2 sessions, their depression was going, and they like 10 to 15 years depression was going. So I just knew that, it just came from, it was an innate thing that was coming from inside me. And while training people, while motivating them, there was a surge of energy that was coming out. And it was so much that it was just like I want to give. I can't hold on to it, because there was so much of energy that I just want to give to people. And when I give, it made me feel really expanded, and it really made me feel satisfied that the purpose behind being on this planet was actually getting fulfilled. So I was earning, I was getting independent also, financially independent also, and at the same time I was getting that satisfaction which many people don't get in their jobs. because that's the
Right.
most important thing. You
Right.
get money, but you don't get that satisfaction which I was given when I was doing job in the technical field. I was getting money, but there was some emptiness inside me.
Correct. Correct.
I was not feeling fulfilled. I was not feeling to the highest potential. So when I started doing it, I was becoming financially stable, as well as I was feeling satisfied, and as well as I was getting that significance which every person wants in their career when they are doing good. People want appreciation, because if you don't get appreciation, then every human being wants it.
Definitely.
So I started getting famous. People started appreciating me. I felt really good. I felt really satisfied, and I felt that yes, this is my path, and
Correct.
I'm on the right track.
Definitely. When you put up all your effort in the right direction, you get famous, you get money, and you get desired results, whatever you do. Definitely. So,
Yes.
like, what are the most important life lessons you have learned from your personal and professional life?
First thing is that don't depend on others. The hardest lesson that I learned in my life was don't depend on anyone in this world. Your parents, nor your children, nor your husband, nor your wife, no relatives, nothing. Because
Correct.
this is your journey. Okay, people will be there with you to guide you. They will be
Correct.
there to tell you. Your parents will be there to give you instructions कि ये कर लो,
Right.
वो कर लो, ये अच्छा है,
Right.
वो अच्छा है. बट ये आपकी जर्नी है.
हाँ.
अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि कोई आपको सपोर्ट किया, there will be support from others. I'm not saying that there are people who are very lucky ones, but I was not the lucky one. I didn't get the support, neither at emotional level nor at financial level. At that time, I learned that don't depend on others. अगर
Correct.
मैं उनके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट रहती तो आज मैं यहाँ नहीं होती. Second
Definitely.
thing is that don't seek approval of anyone in
हाँ.
life.
That
अगर
is also
आपको जो
important.
पसंद है, आपको लगता है कि I want to be an artist, just do it. Don't wait for people to appreciate you. Don't wait for others to approve you. Don't wait for your friends. आपके फ्रेंड्स इंजीनियरिंग में जा रहे हैं, मेडिकल में जा रहे हैं, यहाँ जा रहे हैं, वहाँ जा रहे हैं. आपको आर्टिस्ट बनना है, आपको उसमें मजा आता है. Don't wait for anybody's approval for your work. Just
Correct.
do it what you like, because ultimately at the end of the day you are enjoying it and you will feel happy. That is the
Definitely.
second lesson that I learned. Don't wait for anybody's approval nor wait for anybody's appreciation. So
Correct.
people when they are working, somebody is not appreciating them. Sometimes people do the work because they want appreciation.
Yes.
So then why we are doing that work? We are doing that work for others. ऐसे हो रहा है वो. तो आप
Correct.
appreciation के लिए, approval के लिए wait मत करिए किसी के. और third thing is that अगर आपको लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना है, सक्सेसफुल होना है, if you want to become successful, be ready to fail.
Correct.
Be ready to fail. Be ready to like crush down yourself at every level, even at health level, emotional level, mental level, financial level. There can be any crisis coming in your life. You need to be really prepared as an independent person, even if you are having your family or you are not having a family, because life is just like up and down. It's just like a
Correct.
roller coaster.
Definitely.
आज जो लोग आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, हो सकता है वो कल आपके लाइफ में नहीं रहे. Then
Correct.
what you will do? So at that time, be ready to fail. Be ready to fail at all levels. Today some people are there. Today money is there. कल हो सकता है कि पैसा ना रहे आपके पास. तो वो
True.
टाइम के लिए आपको प्रिपेयर करना है, because life is unpredictable. And I
Correct.
have seen people like earlier even I used to think कि life is very good. मेरा life बहुत अच्छा होगा. नहीं. If there is positive, there is negative also. We say that think positive, but we have
Correct.
to also think about the worst thing that can happen in your life and be prepared,
Definitely.
because the worst
Definitely.
thing that is coming, the worst thing that is coming in your life will make you more, what can I say, stable
More
and
stronger.
more futuristic, more stronger. So then in that case you don't have to depend. Again, coming back to my first lesson is don't depend on anyone. Don't
Right.
ask for approval.
Right.
Don't ask for appreciation, and be prepared for the worst and be ready to fail. Even if the failure is coming, it's okay. आज अगर आप फेल हो रहे हो, आज आपका दिन नहीं है, हो सकता है कल आपका दिन हो, परसों आपका दिन नहीं होगा. Today you can be at the top.
Correct.
जाके हो सकता है you will be at the bottom. So
Correct.
nothing is constant. Everything is just changing. That is life.
Definitely.
That's the only lesson that I learned in my life. And so from that day, after learning all these lessons, even if the failure is coming to me, I'm very neutral, I'm very stable, I'm not affected by any failure. I'm completely okay with that.
Wonderful.
So these are the important lessons that I learned from my life struggle.
Really wonderful, and I appreciate your passion, your way you explore things, and the way you take the challenges and move ahead. And most importantly, like these times for last 2 years, we have seen what COVID has done to our life.
Yes.
People who were really, really successful, they lost their businesses, they sold their cars, big cars. Some of them, like, they lost their property, investments, whatnot. And they were people who got the opportunity in that bad time, I would say, and they got success in that moment, that point in time as well. So you never know what situation can give you, what situation can take from you. So you should always be ready, definitely. And your only way to get out of any situation is the kind of effort you make, the kind of engagement you make with the surroundings, the opportunity, the way you explore the opportunity in all even and odd situations. So this will help you out in any given situation. So really wonderful the way you are working on all these things. I really appreciate that. And with this, I'd like to know about your vision, mission, and goal in your life for next maybe 5 to 10 years.
So right now I've started since last 3 years I'm working with women also. So for women empowerment, I have my group Pehchan Stree Shakti ki. So my vision is coming 5 years, 10 years down the line. I want to empower women, to as many as women as I can. I have not kept any number. So I want to empower them at physical level. That is, building their physical health is very important. Many women, they just don't take care of themselves because they have a lot of things to take care. Right? They have their family, they have their children, they have their career. So the women, they actually ignore so many things that they are gifted by the divine. So first thing is their physical health. Second thing is the emotional and mental health. That is very important. If you are emotionally and mentally stable, then only you can achieve things and you can become successful. So second thing is I'm working with women to make them emotionally and mentally stable. Third thing is their finances. Be it their job, be it their business, they should be financially stable. They shouldn't be dependent on their husband. They shouldn't be dependent on their children. They shouldn't be dependent on their family or in-laws. That's the most important thing, because dependency will kill their freedom. So financial independence is very important for a woman, and also for relationships, how they have to manage their relationships. So many women, because a woman is not is neither at her parents' place, she's not from her parents' place also, and she's not from the in-laws' place also. That is the condition of the woman in Indian culture, if I talk about. So there is a lot of what can I say? There's a lot of confusion that goes in the women's mind, you know, as compared to men, because na wo us ghar ki hai, na wo is ghar ki hai, right? So she needs to adjust like everywhere.
That challenges
that creates
common
a
with
lack
every
of
woman.
love. Yeah, because she needs to adjust everything when she gets married.
Correct.
And that's not easy. You know, that's become a norm, but that's not easy.
Correct.
That's very, because the divine has made women, like, you know, full of love and adjusting and flexible. That it's
True.
like natural, but what goes inside her mind is how to deal with her relationship.
Correct.
In
She
India, there
always
is so much
struggle
of
with both the
domination.
families.
Yeah, but there's so much of domination going on for women. There is so much of gender inequality. In midst of all these things, how she needs to manage her relationship with her after marriage or family, and the before marriage family, and
Correct.
also the relationship with her own self. What is
Correct.
her relationship with her own self? She has forgotten to love herself. That she is
Yes.
also very important.
Correct.
उसकी भी एक पहचान है, और इसीलिए हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम है पहचान स्त्री शक्ति की, क्योंकि वो उसकी पहचान कुछ है ही नहीं ना. उसकी पहचान उसकी पहली फैमिली, पापा का नाम और फिर हस्बैंड का नाम. So that is why we are working on the relationship level also, how they should deal in the relationship and the relationship with their own self. And the last level is spiritual level. If you are
Correct.
spiritually evolved, then you will be able to face all the challenges of your life very nicely. And women,
Correct.
as I say, as compared to men, they have more spiritual power. So
True.
they can get easily connected to the divine, because all the divine qualities, the nurturing qualities are there in the women. I'm not saying that it is not in the men, but they can grow spiritually very faster, women.
Correct.
So
Correct.
we also work on the spiritual aspect, that their connection with the divine, their connection with the universe, the superconscious, it should get improved, elevated, so that
Correct.
any challenges that are coming in their life, they can face it very easily, and they can get the solutions from the universe.
True.
So at this 5 levels, I'm working with women. Coming 10 years down the line, I will be working on this aspect of women. And also there are some
Really?
projects which I'll be working for businessmen, which is Samruddha Bharat Jagruti. That is the next.
Okay.
That is also one of the projects that I'm working with, helping businessmen to start up, helping businessmen to come out of the issues that they are facing, leadership training, business coaching. So this also is working. I'm working side by side.
Okay, so you are working on both the aspects. Really awesome, and
Yes,
I really appreciate your hard work. And I also give my best wishes to your both the causes. So now I would
Thank
like
you.
to know more about the challenges which we were discussing earlier. So what are the most common challenges every women face while opting for her career?
So first thing is that there's a lot of gender inequality. I would say that.
Yes.
In my family, I have faced it. Even though I'm educated, I'm an engineer. My parents made me an engineer, and they want me to be educated. But still, there is a lot of comparison between me. There's a lot of inequality between me and my brother. Right?
Correct.
I want to talk about the support. Like, if I want to choose career, I want to grow as a woman. And I want to build, I want to fulfill my dreams, which are at a very high level. So I did not get the support. And this doesn't happen. This is not only my family story. This is the story of many women in India today.
Correct.
That they are not getting the enough support.
Most women face these challenges.
So ये एक mentality अभी भी है, even though the parents are educated, कि क्या करना है इतना तुम्हें काम करके, क्या करना है इतना पैसे कमा के, तुमको शादी करके हस्बैंड के ऊपर डिपेंड होना है. तो ये टीचिंग आज के पेरेंट्स विमेन को दे रहे हैं कि आप हस्बैंड के ऊपर डिपेंड हो जाओ, instead of giving them the teaching that you become independent and you earn your own finances, so that you don't have to be dependent on anyone.
Correct.
So the support in terms of the support that I wanted from my parents, so the support I did not got that much which I was expecting, because I am also a member of that family. There was a lot of that gender inequality. Again, when I came and when I was a motivational speaker and when I was giving the trainings, I could see that women is not supporting women. Okay, there are a lot of women who are jealous of other women if they are growing.
Correct.
So that's another thing. So women empowerment is not only related to that only the family or men are dominating, but there are women who are dominating women. They are not supporting the other women. Yes. They can't see that the women is growing. And I saw many women, they just put so many obstacles. And I thought that they are very good friends. But then at the back of the mind, there was so much of jealousy, comparison, and many things, backbiting that went on. So that's the second thing that I observed, that the woman needs to improve. In the career also, the support should be there from the family, which is not there. And women supporting women is also very important, which is actually not there. It is actually not there. That is happening, but not happening.
That is happening, but not happening at the pace it should have been. Like if you talk about family, the kind of support which is there from father or brother is kind of support more, if we can say. The support from mother is somewhere we see is not there, because what mother sees that they want to kind of protect their daughter child is one of the thing, maybe is not allowing them to give all the rights which girl child should have. This is kind of one thing which I feel maybe the reason. And you rightly said the kind of jealousy factor among women is a big challenge,
Yeah.
that they should understand the
Yeah.
pros and cons of this type of stereotyping. Otherwise, what will happen that in those scenarios, if they would not start supporting each other, they would not get kind of support they are looking for. Again, this is big challenge for them as well. So it is
Yeah.
important for every woman to support another woman and take her
Yeah.
as a pride that somebody is succeeding in their life.
Yes, yes, yes. And the third thing that I've always observed, because of all these things, the emotional support is not there, the financial support is not there. Women today are going into wrong traps.
Correct.
Like, I'm not judging any man here, but people take advantage of such women and they fall victim to such people who use them,
Correct.
for their own purpose. So then, so this type of women who are not getting the support and they are very like in the victim state, people use them for their own needs, either physically, financially, or anything. So at that time, that woman is not having that mental strength that even if I am not getting that support from my family or from my in-laws, still I should be mentally stable and I should not fall into wrong people or get used. That mental strength, coming back to mental strength, that mental strength is very important. So that identification is not there in the women कि ये person मुझे use कर रहा है, ये person से मैंने जाना चाहिए या नहीं जाना चाहिए, because the past hurts and wounds are not healed.
Correct.
So if suppose somebody is giving the support, then yeah. So because you are emotionally unstable, you get carried away by that person, or you get carried away by that men, women, or a group of people, and you try to find support. So it's very important for a woman to find support with right people. That intelligence, that mental strength they should have, which many women don't have, and then ultimately their life gets spoiled.
Correct.
Because one after the other, if you keep on getting wounds in your life, if you don't have good relationship with even if the social life is not good, then you know what happens. Then you go into depression, you feel hopeless, and then you feel कुछ भी नहीं है मेरे life में, right?
Correct.
So it's very important that they should be
definitely
selective for the people around them. That whom they are talking to, whom they are sharing their personal space. किससे वो अपनी बातें शेयर कर रहे हैं, किससे वो अपनी बातें शेयर नहीं कर रहे हैं, कितना आपको you need to draw a border, you need to draw the boundaries.
Correct.
कितना आप किसी को अपने life में आने देना चाहते हो या नहीं आने देना चाहते हो, that's the boundary or the they need to draw as a woman. You can't be open to everyone.
Definitely, you never know what
person is giving you.
You never know what a person have in his mind or her mind.
Yeah.
What are the like thought process they have with you? What kind of interest they are seeking in, like having meeting you, discussing with you. They must be having some good thoughts about you, bad thoughts about you. You never know. The only way you can judge them or you can trust them or you can know them is kind of the communication you have with them, the kind of checks. You can have some checks to analyze what people have in their mentality, kind of a thing. Otherwise, it is difficult to judge anybody from their appearance, from their conversation. This is really difficult.
Yeah.
You just mentioned about your program which you are running with women's. So I'd like to know more about that program, how you are helping them in identifying not only the career but the right way of taking in their life about emotionally, financially, as well as career-wise.
So the first thing is I focus on healing their emotions. First thing.
Okay.
I first heal their past. I always tell them that you heal your past. If your past is not good, you need to forgive your parents. You need to forgive the people who have hurt you. You need to forgive all those past relationships which were really not good for you. You need to learn your lessons. First thing.
Right.
You are here on this planet, on every person on this planet, all the bad things that are happening to us, there is a lesson that we need to learn from that. So the first thing I tell them is, need to learn your lessons. You need to release all the hatred, anger, frustration, all the negativity that you have in your mind,
Right.
negative thoughts about people, starting from your parents, siblings, friends, relatives, everyone. जहाँ जहाँ आपको hurt हुआ है उसको release करिए.
हाँ.
And start loving yourself. That's the first thing I tell them. Instead of asking for love outside. The biggest problem that today's women is facing is lack of love.
Okay.
Lack of acceptance. They don't have the acceptance from the family or from so they seek that acceptance from people around.
Okay.
So I tell them, you start loving yourself. You don't need anybody's acceptance. You are a divine soul. आप एक divine soul है. आप एक प्योर आत्मा है. और आपको भगवान ने एक पर्पस के लिए बनाया है.
Right.
डिवाइन जब आपको जज फील करता तो आप क्यों खुद को जज कर रहे हैं?
Right.
आपके अंदर की सुंदरता को आप जानिए, अपने अंदर के प्यार को एक्सप्लोर करिए और खुद से प्यार करिए, खुद को आप डेवलप करिए. फिजिकल लेवल पे, इमोशनल मेंटल लेवल पे जो भी आपके ब्लॉकेजेस है उसको रिलीज करिए विद डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स. आई टीच देम लाइक इमोशनल फ्रीडम थेरेपी इज वन ऑफ देम. जो बेसिकली मैं उनको सिखाती हूँ कि आप लाइफ लॉन्ग अपने इमोशंस को हील कर पाओ, अपने इमोशंस को रिलीज कर पाओ. ऐसा टेक्निक मैं उनको सिखाती हूँ. माइंड प्रोग्रामिंग टेक्निक्स मैं उनको सिखाती हूँ जिससे कि वो अपने माइंड को अपने कंट्रोल में रख सके, ना कि यू बिकम द स्लेव ऑफ द माइंड. दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन द पास्ट इज नॉट हील्ड. You need to continuously heal your past. You need to continuously cut yourself from the past and heal it, forgive people. That's the second thing I tell them. Love yourself and explore yourself. अपना potential explore करो. जो आपको पसंद है वो करो. जिस चीज के लिए भगवान ने आपको बनाया है, your uniqueness, जो चीज से आपको खुशी मिलती है, जिससे आपका सोल एम्पावर होता है, वो करना चालू करो. जब आपका सोल एम्पावर होगा, ऑटोमेटिकली आपका ऑरा बदलेगा, ऑटोमेटिकली आपके विचार बदलेंगे खुद के बारे में, अपने बारे में आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. क्योंकि आपको जब कुछ पसंद है, जब आप वो करते हो तो आपको वो हैप्पीनेस मिलता है, आपको वो खुशी मिलती है. वो खुशी जब आपको मिलती है तो वो टाइम पे आपको कोई और पर्सन की जरूरत नहीं होती आपको खुश करने की. यू डोंट नीड एनीवन टू मेक यू हैप्पी. यू डोंट नीड योर पेरेंट्स, यू डोंट नीड योर बॉयफ्रेंड, यू डोंट नीड योर हस्बैंड.
फ्रॉम योर विद इन.
It comes from within. You are just happy by doing that. You are just bubbling with joy. Your aura is changing. Your face is glowing. You even don't need makeup. This makeup that we put is just artificial.
Yes.
Right? When you are happy from within, आपको कोई बीमारी भी नहीं होगी. आप इमोशनली मेंटली खुश रहोगे. तो आप वो करना चालू करो जो आपको पसंद है.
Correct.
Explore your hobbies. Explore what you like. Explore your potential. For that we do the potential test. करियर काउंसलिंग भी हम करते हैं. मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट भी उनको देते हैं कि कौन से इसमें आपको अभी आगे बढ़ना.
करेक्ट.
स्पेशली फॉर मैरिड वुमेन व्हेन दे आर लाइक वुमेन, व्हेन द वुमेन गेट्स मैरिड, तो जब बच्चा होता है प्रेगनेंसी के बाद, फिर बच्चे को बड़ा करना है, तो they just lose the touch with themselves. You know, it's very bad. You lose the touch with your own self.
Involved with,
you know, it's always giving out. You're always giving out what you want. You don't know. So they face this problem after marriage. These women face this problem, and that is their second inning. वो उनकी second inning होती है. तो वहाँ पे ये multiple intelligence test, क्या आपको पसंद है वो करना चालू करो. घर से ही चालू करो. You don't need big. आपको बहुत ज्यादा पैसा की जरूरत नहीं है. Now everything is online, digital. You just go digital, start posting videos on YouTube, make references. So I tell them how they can do marketing at less cost.
True.
And how they can improve their communication skill, because that's very important. If you lose your confidence and you can't communicate with people what you are good at, then no one will come to you. You need to be very smart.
Correct.
As a woman, you need to, as a person, you need to learn how to sell yourself, the products that you're selling, the whatever things you're doing, the hobbies that you're pursuing.
Correct.
So I tell them that you love yourself, explore yourself. Don't waste time in backbiting. Don't waste time on thinking about मेरा ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, मेरा life बर्बाद हो गया. Don't waste your time on craving. Use your time efficiently on working on yourself, improve your own self. And one more thing, women don't give time to themselves. They say मुझे time ही नहीं मिलता. So I tell them that एक दिन आपके लिए निकालो.
This is common problem with every woman.
Common problem with women. हमें time नहीं मिलता. Actually, they just give excuses because they don't love themselves internally. तो ये चीज है, तो आई मेक देम, आई शो देम द मिरर दैट आप अपने खुद से प्यार नहीं करते हो, आप प्यार सिर्फ बाहर से सीख कर रहे हो, खुद के अंदर से जो प्यार आ रहा है उसको आप बाहर नहीं निकाल रहे हो, अपने अंदर के पोटेंशियल को बाहर नहीं निकाल रहे हो।
करेक्ट।
जब आप अपने अंदर के पोटेंशियल को बाहर निकालोगे, आपके सोल पर्पस के साथ आप कनेक्ट होंगे, तो आपको ना कभी प्यार की कमी होगी, ना पैसे की कमी होगी, ना नेम फेम सिग्निफिकेंस, हर एक चीज आपके पास आएगी। एंड द लास्ट थिंग दैट इज कनेक्शन विथ योर डिवाइन, जिस चीज के लिए आप बने हैं, जब आप वो काम कर रहे हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका डिवाइन के साथ कनेक्शन होगा, आप स्पिरिचुअली भी इवॉल्व होंगे। तो ये सब चीजें मैं उनको करने के लिए बोलती हूँ कि आप ये करिए, डोंट डिपेंड ऑन एनीवन, neither on your husband nor on your children for love. Don't depend on anyone, love yourself.
Definitely, this is the first thing. Second thing is when you start exploring yourself, you would find so many things you are like good at and you can do. And thirdly, when you think that you really want to do something, you would definitely get the ways out.
Yes, yeah, you will get way out. You just start doing it. Don't think मुझे लोग पसंद करेंगे या नहीं, आप सिर्फ करो, क्योंकि जब आप पहला स्टेप लेते हो तभी आपके लिए यूनिवर्स सेकंड स्टेप लेता है। ऐसी ही हमारी जर्नी है, राइट? यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द स्क्रैच। या
करेक्ट। रियली वंडरफुल थॉट यू हैव, एंड यू आर वर्किंग ऑन अ कॉज व्हिच इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. So now I would like to know about you. Like now you are a trainer, you are a motivational speaker, you are kind of extrovert person. So initially when you started your career, or maybe you were young, were you the same, or you were kind of introvert that point in time? How you got transformed in your life?
I am an introvert person. I like to spend my time, most of the time, like 80%, 70 to 80% time alone with my own self, because that's what helps me to grow. And all the struggles that I got, I realized that all the strength that I got, all the knowledge that I got from universe or divine, it just got because I was spending time with my own self. I explored all the potential from inside me. So I think I am more of an introvert person. And yes, 20-30% I like to be with people and training them, helping them, having fun with my friends and all this. So I'm more on the introvert side, I think.
Wonderful. So you transformed yourself from introvert to an extrovert, and you are doing great in life now.
Yes.
Really awesome. So with this,
now I think I have become an ambivert person.
Okay. Kind of managing both aspects. Wonderful.
Yeah.
So with this, I'd like to know about the people who supported you the most in your life.
Yeah, so I got support from people outside my family, because like my friends, there were some people from the spiritual organization which I joined. And I got connected with them. So then they helped me, they guided me that how I can move ahead in this career, and they supported me emotionally also. So there were few friends who really supported me. And yes, there are definitely right now also there are good friends, good people around me who are supporting me. And then ultimately, yes, when I became successful, my parents also started supporting me, because they saw that whatever we were like demotivating you or all these things, they were wrong, and they are now supporting me in this.
Correct.
So yeah.
So the kind of work and your like passion and how the way you carried out everything had made them change their thought process. This is really wonderful. And
because initially they thought that about what I can do, I can't do anything, how can I do counseling, what is this motivation? They just didn't know what is motivational speaker and everything. They were not aware of this thing.
Correct.
So there was some insecurity also in their mind related to it. So they changed. So people change.
Correct. So I'd like to know who were the inspiration and motivation in your life. Like who were the people who you see as your inspiration and motivation?
So right now there are many people, there are many trainers like I follow, like Anthony Robbins is there. There are so many people, but there is not someone specific. There's no one like a specific person whom I follow, because for me my journey was always connected with the divine. universe.
Mhm.
All the guidance that I got from within me, I just followed it because I
Correct.
believe that inside me there is divine, and I followed my heart all the time. And
Wonderful.
as I started following my heart, I got the ways, I got the solutions, and as I said, I got people who supported me in my journey. There were
Right.
times in my life when I was alone. I did everything alone
Mhm.
because I had the confidence and I had that divine connection. So I did it alone, but then slowly and gradually, many people started joining me in my life journey.
Correct.
So there are like Anthony Robbins is someone I truly get inspired by. Narendra Modi, I truly get inspired by. There are
Correct.
many people like this,
Mhm.
but the most inspirational person in my life is me and only me.
Great. Because the kind of journey you
That
have.
I truly
Uh,
that I truly get inspired by.
mhm.
Looking at my own life journey, I learn from people, but I don't follow as such anyone.
Really, like when you start following your own self, exploring your own self, you get so many ways like to explore more and get into a right track.
Yeah.
That really happens. So
Yeah,
like
because
now,
during meditation, when I went within me, I started getting the answers for my life. Like
Correct.
what I want to do. There were so many things that I got the answers during my meditation. So I didn't had to go many times to people or mentors to see like what I need to do. So
Yes.
that's the thing. But yeah, I want to change here that I learned from many people, but I don't get inspired by them because I feel that I am myself an inspiration for my own self.
Correct.
That and I
Correct.
want to be that inspiring role model for others. My journey should be unique. I don't want to follow somebody else's path. So that's the thing. Yeah.
Right. Right. Really wonderful. So with this, I'd like to ask you, what is your take on success? How you feel like success should be, and how you feel that like you are successful or not, and what are the things that can make you successful? Maybe whatever is your thought process behind success, I'd like to know about that.
Success is something everyone is having a different definition of success.
Correct.
Many people feel that उनके पास अगर बहुत ज्यादा पैसा आ जाएगा तो वो सक्सेसफुल हो जाएंगे.
True.
किसी को लगता है कि मुझे बहुत ज्यादा फेम आ गया तो मैं बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो गया.
True.
Right? So success is different for different people.
Correct.
Every person has their unique definition.
Hmm.
But I want to say here that जिस सक्सेस से आपको सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलता है वो आपका रियल सक्सेस.
Okay.
अगर आपको लगता है someone is earning 1 CR and you are earning 1 lakh rupees per month. अगर वो 1 लाख रुपीस आप अर्न करके खुश है, अपने लाइफ को एंजॉय कर रहे हो, आप सेटिस्फाइड हो, आप ग्रेटिट्यूड में हो डिवाइन के कि हाँ मुझे ये सब मिला है.
Correct.
That is your success. Your satisfaction is real success.
Correct. Correct.
You might have seen many people in this world, many rich people, they are not happy.
Correct.
You might have seen people who are very middle class, they are satisfied in their life.
Correct.
And the miracle starts from here. Success will only come to those people who are satisfied, who are happy with what the universe is giving.
Right.
I am not saying that don't ask for more. I am saying you become multimillionaire. There is
Correct.
no limit. Universe is infinite.
Correct.
But when you get success, you need to be satisfied with that. You need to appreciate yourself. You
Correct.
need to get connected with whatever you have done. The divine has given you something.
Hmm.
I have seen people, they are just constantly running in behind money, behind name, fame. ये सब चीजें कर रहे हैं लोग. तो
Correct.
जो मिल रहा है पहले उसमें सेटिस्फाइड हो जाओ. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ये होता है कि जब आपको जो मिल रहा है उसी से आप ग्रेटिट्यूड में हैं, उसी से आप सेटिस्फाइड है, उसी से आप अबंडेंस के फीलिंग में हैं, तो डायरेक्टली यू आर कनेक्टेड विद द सुप्रीम इंटेलिजेंस टू द डिवाइन इंटेलिजेंस.
Correct.
If you are in abundance, automatically more opportunities will come to you, more fame will come to you. You will attract more fame, more people who will support you in your journey. You will attract more money in your life if you are satisfied and in a state of abundance.
Correct. Correct.
Even if
Really
you are
wonderful.
earning 20,000 per month, Yeah. And one more thing, success is also based on comparison. Many people compare their success with others.
Correct.
Because of this comparison, we feel we are at a particular level, we have reached a particular level, but we compare ourselves from against others, and we say कि नहीं मुझे उस level पे जाना है.
Correct.
उस level पे जाना है, and we start struggling, we start running behind it, living behind our own happiness. We ruin our own happiness in running behind achieving the benchmark which the other person has already set. I'm not saying that you don't achieve it, but I'm saying that while you're doing it, you need to be satisfied in gratitude and also enjoy the journey of getting that success.
Correct.
So that's what
process is equally important.
Yeah, process is important and satisfaction is also important, that whatever you have done. Constantly, if you are not satisfied, then you can't get success. Because if you are not satisfied and if you are in lack, अगर आप lack में हैं, अगर आप करोड़ों रुपए कमा रहे हो और आप lack में हैं, if you are successfully, if you are financially successful, but still you are in lack,
correct,
then universe will slowly and gradually, it will come down, because the lack feeling going to get mirrored into the universe, and the universe is just like a genie. The universe will give you back what you are actually having. So all these people who want to become successful, you just need to understand that be satisfied, be in gratitude. जो आपको मिल रहा है उसके लिए gratitude दो, क्योंकि ये भी आपके efforts की वजह से ही मिल रहा है. And then all the things like hard work, dedication, consistency, all smart work, all these things are there. That is at the skill level that you need to upgrade yourself.
Definitely, but skills you have to keep on upgrading. Correct.
Yeah, that is a continuous process. You can't say that now I have learned so much. अभी मैंने बहुत सीख लिया. I am so great. No one is great. There is no even the greatest millionaires and billionaires and even the greatest philosophers, they also keep on learning, right? So you should constantly keep on learning. No one is great. Because the universe has infinite knowledge and there is lot of things that you don't know.
Correct.
So you're constantly learning. And one more thing is being down to earth. Many people I've seen, when they become successful, they get that ego and they start ignoring people. They feel that they are very at a higher level and all these things. So you should be down to earth at that time. Because again, as I'm saying, if you're not grateful to that, then universe will take it away from you.
Definitely that happens. So like we are moving on to the last question of the day. Any message, advice you would like to make to our audience, viewers and listeners both?
Yeah, just keep going. There is no choice in life. Even if you are at the lowest phase of your life, try, take help, take counseling, take mentorship, do anything you want, but wake up, get up and keep moving. Who are at the lowest phase of their life, and people who are successful, be grateful of what you have and don't go into that ego. Be down to earth. And one more thing, if you have achieved this success through divine grace, through your own efforts, inspire others to become successful. Give that energy to others, because if one person is becoming millionaire in a family, one person is becoming successful in a family, that person can inspire the generations. The coming 7 generations can change. Don't be like a miser person. नहीं ये मेरा ही success है और बस मैं successful हो गया तो खत्म. No. If divine has put you in that position, it's your duty and responsibility to contribute to people who don't have that success, who are on their path. Lift them and guide them on their path, and that's why the success is given to you. The success is not given to you to be in ego and just to enjoy your own life. If you are giving something to someone, you will be getting in multifold. So that's what I want to tell people.
Definitely.
And if you are at the lowest phase of life, just trust divine. Even if you are alone, no one is helping, no one is supporting you, trust your own self. I have seen that because I have trusted my own self and I reached this level. When I started trusting my own self, my own capacities, then only people started trusting me. If you don't trust yourself, if you don't believe in yourself, if you are not confident about yourself, people will not be confident about you. And if you are not getting that just in your life, you are low at your lowest phase, please go and take help from a mentor. I have
Correct.
seen people when they are at the lowest phase of their life, they discuss with their friends, they discuss with their family members, and the family members, friends, they don't want to do anything in their life, so they
Correct.
pull them down. I
Correct.
always tell people, you go and seek advice of an expert who is not connected to you in any way, because that person will give you the right advice,
Correct.
because you cannot see your loophole. Only the other person, an expert, will tell you. Make a guru. किसी
Correct.
को भी गुरु बनाइए जो एक एक्सपर्ट पर्सन है उस फील्ड में.
Correct.
Don't be
Correct.
alone and don't go to that lowest phase of life that I want to commit suicide and all these things. Take help. You're not alone. You're
Correct.
not alone in your life. Okay?
Correct.
You're always getting help, and the divine is always there with you, and he will guide you. Just trust yourself. Then people will
Definitely.
trust you. That is the
Definitely.
message that I want to give others. And then all the rest things that come here, that be determined and all that will come later on if you are in the lowest phase. Right
Correct.
now, if you need help, then go and seek help of a counselor, mentor, expert, or if you have a good positive people, like, you know, when you are alone, when you're fighting alone in your life, at that time you need a group of people. You need to socialize. That's what I
Correct.
learned, because when I was sitting alone, I was not learning anything. When I went
That
and I
happens.
met new people, there was an energy exchange, and then
Correct.
my energy started shifting. So go
Correct.
into positive vibrations. That is very important. घर में मत
Correct.
रहो, positive vibrations में जाओ. और जहाँ
हाँ.
पे आपको लोग नीचे खींच रहे हैं, उन लोगों को, उस जगह को आप
Stay away. Stay away from
just
those.
leave that. Stay away. Cut them completely.
Correct.
अगर
Correct.
आपके पेरेंट्स भी हो सकते हैं, वो आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स भी हो सकते हैं, जो आपको थोड़े टाइम के लिए, क्योंकि आपका टाइम अगर खराब चल रहा है अभी, तो आपको कोई भी सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा. आई विल टेल यू दैट. When you are at the highest level, everyone will come around you.
Correct.
And when
That
you are
happens.
lowest, no one will see you, no one will call you, no one will give you money, no one will say, you will say, "Arey, kya ho gaya?" You know, there are so many things.
That is reality of
Okay.
life. You are your best friend. You take your advice first.
Exactly.
Need
Yeah.
help? Try to find out people who have more experience, more knowledge, more expertise than you,
Yeah.
and never
Yeah.
go to people
Yes.
who have not done anything in their life. They would not be of any good to you. So
Yeah. People who are
really-
experienced, you know,
Correct.
people who are senior to you. Just take help
Definitely.
from them. They will tell you what to do.
Correct, definitely. This is really awesome, and
So all
I
these things are very important.
really important. And I can say it was an amazing insight you have shared with us, and I
Thank you.
must say it was really amazing hearing you, Prachi. I really enjoyed our conversation. Looking forward to hearing more from your side soon.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time, Prachi. It was really wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for inviting me on your platform. Thank you so much.
Sure. Also, I would share your link and social media and your website so that people can connect with you, take your help wherever they feel like. And so, guys, don't forget to check that out too. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching and listening. I hope you all must
Thank
have
you.
gathered a lot of information and enjoyed watching and listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good time. Thank you, and bye bye.